Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you.
I'm happy to be back at the park after the whole COVID season started. So right here with that new saw, I was figured out it would be right there. But yeah, I'm happy. We are happy to be back. Recently, I had some losses in my family this year. The big part of my life was my dad, stepdad. It's hard being here, not knowing he's not here with us. Because we were planning on having him come with us this year for Winterfest. He passed away before Easter, so. In this video, you're gonna see some of the gliders today. That was his favorite thing in the 80s, 90s here. Hello! Sorry! But, yeah, the Flying Eagles, now they called Woodstock Woolly Boards, was located in right there, right behind GripTight's diner, across from Vortex Course Group. But that's up in the if it's open,
It is.
the Emporium. But with that said, masks.
As long as it's with you, as long as it's with you. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
Being young and
Vortex is gone, guys. It's been gone for 2 years now. Kinda sucks, but crazy, but hey. Something new will replace the beast of Vortex. But yeah, it's just sad.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days.
Okay, I just got off with the race of 2021 season. And DaVinci Grip did a marvelous job on the track and walk down this way. That was a marvelous job on them. It was a lot smoother than last year and the year before. I gave it like 8 out of 10 for great track work. The turnaround needs a little bit more retracked and everything, but out through the coastal it was smooth and sputter.
Staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me